Good motorcycle morning. I'm in San Isidro, San Luis Potosi, at my cabana. Leaving from Monterrey today. Tonight will be my last night in Mexico. Time to get down the road. It's so cool, the ranchers out here herding their sheep, and I was really worried about my bike getting stolen last night. To no avail, nothing happened, but I was worried nonetheless. The owner of this house's name is Samuel, and I had lights on at like 11 o'clock last night, and I'm sure it was somebody looking out for him, like who's in that house. Not somebody looking for a motorcycle, but somebody stopped at the front of the driveway for like 20 minutes checking it out. Freaked me out a little bit. Besides that, pretty good. Thank you for working all the time, Shady. Just thank you. Bye-bye, cabana. Bye-bye, desert. Well, I'm still gonna be in the desert, I guess. Alright, good to go. On to Monterrey we go. Stop off at the Pemex for some gases. It's beautiful out here. The extremes between hot and cold are extreme. Not extreme, but exaggerated, you know? Look at all this agave on the side. They're exaggerated. The shade is literally 20 degrees cooler than the sun in the desert. Just finding that shade, that's the problem. Okay. Those mountains, it's beautiful. This is Cedro.
I feel my heart is going full speed. I can't control it. Can't keep up with the rhythm of it all.
Días. Verde, por favor, llena, por favor.
I'm getting deluded. Can't keep up with the rhythm of it all. I gotta figure it out right now.
Okay, out of Cedro, headed for Monterrey.
You want only the best and nothing but the best from me. I gotta figure it out right now, 'cause I know what you need. You want only the best and nothing but the best from me.
¿Qué está pasando por ahí? ¿Qué está pasando por ahí? Oh, sí. Ah, ok.
Of all the feelings is so new. Gotta find my devotion, stay true, so I can be in all this for you. I gotta figure it out right now, 'cause I know what you need. You want only the best and nothing but the best from me. I gotta figure it out right now, 'cause I know what you need. You want only the
buenos días. Pero primero a ver si pongas 5 litros aquí. Alrighty, here I am in Arteaga, Coahuila, Mexico. Just got some gas. Headed on to Parque Chipinque in Monterrey. That last place I stopped here for gas because the last place was out of gas. But that was the most, I don't want to say hostile, but the most unwelcome place in Mexico I've been to so far. They were out of gas. Everybody was very suspicious of me. A truck of like guys in a pickup truck, 3 or 4 guys showed up and just started hanging around. But I sat there and I ate my cupcake and drank my Gatorade anyway, just looking like the tired, weary traveler, not trying to make a fuss or anything, not trying to run away or anything. But yeah, I wasn't welcome there at all. So I didn't get gas there. I ended up getting gas here. That's fine. That's exactly why I had that extra gallon of gas with me to get to extend my range. Anyhow, now about an hour to Monterrey and Parque Chipinque. Here we go.
It's a colorful night, got red eyes, but it's all blue. Those colorful eyes, they don't shine like they used to. The city don't want us, babe. We won't survive this place. The city don't want us. The city don't want it. And if I would lie and stay, it wouldn't feel the same. I won't lie. No, honestly, it doesn't feel like home. Like home. Home. Feel like home. A faded mind, so we stay blind. Oh, the city don't want us. Got a tendency to fading out underwater. Yeah, are we losing touch? Are we falling? And if I would lie and stay, it wouldn't feel the same. I won't lie. No, honestly, it doesn't feel like home. Like home. Home. Feel like home. A faded mind, so we stay blind. Oh, the city don't want us.
Disculpe, ¿no me haces un favor? ¿Me tomarás una foto también? Muchas gracias, ¿Quieres las montañas o la ciudad? O los dos. ¿Por acá? Sí, ustedes, gracias. Okay, this is Parque Chipinque. Time to go down the mountain. That picture cost me 110 pesos. And I got this cool ride, but I'm gonna record the drift going back down. Let's see here. Yeah, video recording again. Now we're going to another park called Parque Fundidora. Sweating my butt off. It'll be fine. All you do is get down this mountain now without burning up the brakes or the clutch. Not a problem. Here we go, down the mountain. It's hard to get. I mean, we are so far off the beaten path, but we're so near such a big city. It's so hard to get well, I'm gonna learn up here to vlog. Okay, down the mountain we go. I'm going down slower than I came up. Usually that drift on the back, if it doesn't have the rumble of the engine, is pretty smooth. So I can get a pretty smooth video going down this and then just speed it up a little bit. Stop and get some more pictures here somewhere along the line. Whew.
Said, hey, as you stop me just a second away from all the pain. You told me if I leave, then no one gains. And it feels like you smashed me with a hammer. I'm ready to see without a part. I'm ready to believe you have a heart. And then you said, hey, we can build it all up again. We can leave with the morning train. I could try to get over you.
Okay, Parque Fundidora. Let's go see what there is to see. I have no idea what there is to see. Hopefully we get a good picture out of it. Well, there's the Fundidora. Can I make it through there? I don't know a good way to get a picture of it, is there?
Ready to see we're both a part of it. Could be the start of it, 'cause I know you're the missing piece of puzzle. You're the queen of my car, ha ha, still you're in my heart, ha heart. Hey, we can build it all up again. We can leave with the morning train. I could try to get over you, but I will never love again. Hey, we can build it all up again. We can dance in the summer rain. I know we can find it and keep it. We'll get back home again. Feeling the wind, there's a storm coming in to break it tonight. Oh, but I'm sure we will win, just pushing it in. Oh, tonight. He said, hey, as you stopped me just a second away from all the pain. You told me if I leave, then no one gains. Hey, build it all up again. We can leave with the morning.
Okay, here I am. I made it to Monterrey. I just called the owner of the Airbnb here. That's my Airbnb right across the street there. I can't get in the gate till he gets here though. Let's see, today I did the Parque Chipinque, Parque Fundidora. I just got out some money because tonight's my last night in Mexico. Tomorrow I cross the border, and that's usually a pretty expensive affair as far as Mexico goes. I don't know what they'll charge me. It's always a surprise, and you always have to have money right then. So yeah, there's that. So I guess I'm going to end this episode right here. I made it safely to Monterrey. It's my last night in Mexico. Tomorrow, USA, USA, USA. Good motorcycle morning.
I feel my heart is going